The R33S, also known as R33 World's Fair or R33WF, was a New York City subway car that was built by St. Louis Car Company in 1963 for the IRTA division. They were purchased for service on the IRT Flushing Line 7 trains, which was the closest line to the 1964 New York World's Fair. A total of 40 cars were built, arranged as single cars. While in regular service, each R33S was coupled to 5 two-car consists of R36 cars to make 11-car trains for the 7 routes. The R33S fleet entered service on September 26, 1963, and was originally painted in a light blue turquoise Bluebird scheme. The fleet was overhauled in the mid-1980s, during which the cars were painted red, leading to the nickname Redbirds. The R33S fleet was replaced in the early 2000s with the delivery of the R142 and R142A cars, with the last train of R33S and R36S running on November 3, 2003. After being retired, most of the R33S cars were kept for work service. Many of the work cars were scrapped in the 2010s. Several other R33S cars were preserved in museums. The R33S cars were numbered 9306 to 9345. The cars were very similar to the R33 cars, save for differently shaped side windows, 3-piece curved windows on the R33S cars as opposed to 3-section rectangular windows on the R33 cars, and the fact that the R33S cars were single cars with a cab at both ends. The cars were built as single cars to make 11-car trains with the R36 cars for the 7, which were built as married pairs. Although the R33S cars were later referred to as Redbirds, the cars were originally painted in a light turquoise blue and white upon delivery. This Bluebird paint color scheme was used until the mid-1970s when they were painted in the silver/blue MTA livery. Then, they were painted a full white. Roof, bonnets, sides were all painted white, from 1981 to 1982 to combat graffiti. Since the white paint was a Teflon-based paint, the graffiti did not stick to it very well. The look was abandoned for the famous Redbird style. The Redbirds were painted between 1984 and 1989 to a deep maroon red body, black front bonnets and anti-climbers, and a silver roof. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.